Hey everyone! Well, today I am unboxing a new webcam, the Logitech Brio. Right now I am recording on my GoPro Hero 8, and I'll also show you what I look like on my existing Logitech webcam, which I'll be unplugging in a moment. But first wanted to open up the new Brio and give you a look at that. Open her up. Let's see here. There's kind of a lot of plastic on it, but it's got some weight to it. Let's see. Actually, a little. Can't tell how the plastic's supposed to come off here. Like I said, there's quite a bit of plastic on this. I mean, it's good. It's well protected. Oh, stuck to me. Okay, all right, here we go. Here we go, kind of butterfly opens, and then the little stand folds down, and that folds up, and then the plastic can come off. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. Okay, all right. That's very nice. It's very, it's got a lot of articulation to it. Multiple options for articulation. So I'm able to very easily get it to stand on my monitor. You know, very little effort, and I can still tilt the, with very little effort, I can set it on my monitor, and it holds pretty well, pretty stable, even when I move the monitor up and down. Pivot, and I can still pivot the little camera portion. Of course, I want to get this a little tighter once I get it into its kind of long-term position. Okay, now that I've freed my old Logitech webcam, which was only $720 versus 1080. So this one only had, you know, such a short little bit, you know, two little options of articulation versus the multiple options that you got here. And there's a lot of a weight difference. I mean, this is very light, and, you know, obviously this has a lot of weight to it. Okay, so now I have it all set up. Go ahead and get that plugged in. Oh, there's even an optional additional articulation available. Keep it even more sturdy on there. There's a little carrying pouch comes with it. Got some brief instructions here. I don't think I'll need them. Basically take it out of the box, plug it in. Here we go. Here's your standard safety warnings. Don't forget to read them. More safety warnings. And again, your very basic instructions. Very long cable. The other one had a decent length as well. So that's kind of something nice about the Logitech webcams. Decent cable length. Go right. And I got detected immediately. There you go. So now let's switch over and see what it looks like.
This is what the older Logitech 720p webcam looked like from a previous recording. You can see it gets the job done, but just wait for it. This is the view from the new Logitech Brio. I think it looks so much better than the old one. I mean, obviously, the upscale is incredible, but it does have kind of a white light that is shining as it records, and I'm kind of dodging it rather than, I don't know if it, obviously it's meant to tell me that it's recording, but I don't know that I like that it's so bright. The other one had just a little red light on it, so I don't know if I can change that in the settings. I'll have to take a look. Okay, I'm gonna take a look for the downloads for the Brio Cam to see if there's any special software to um, help improve the performance or change the color of the light. Let's take a look here. I'm not exactly thrilled with the layout of the Logitech support website. Let's search Brio here. Download, no downloads. All right. All right, let's download Logitune. All right, let's get this installed. Don't forget to check out the End User License Agreement, or EULA, End User License Agreement, and Privacy Policy. You always want to make sure you know what you're getting into before you click that you agree. And, obviously in this case, we don't have an option to argue about it, but you always want to know what you're getting into. So make sure you open it up so that you can take a look. In this case, I don't necessarily want to be involved in the data collection for improving the product, so I'm going to say no thanks. As I was installing the Logitech software, obviously, it disconnected the camera so that it could connect it here to its software. So now I see this little Logitune software box and the Brio, and it brings up a preview. Let's take a look. We get to change the field of view, can change a zoom or positioning, it looks like. Zoom in, zoom in. Ah, okay. Well, that'll be fun. We have different image adjustments available, it looks like. Kind of automatically turns on everything. And it comes with different filters you can use. That's cute. Forest, blossom. Okay. And I can manually change brightness, contrast. Very nice. Let's take a look at other settings here. Oh, okay. So the preview quality could even be changed here. Let's take a look at 4K. I don't think you can really see the difference in the preview. Okay. And what other settings do we get here? Calendar connections, notifications, meeting notifications. All right. I don't see anywhere that I can change what the light does. So that's kind of a bummer. It would be nice to be able to change that light color or just be able to turn it off because it is kind of distracting. Well, this is the Logitech Brio. Now it's a 4K webcam, and I don't actually have a 4K monitor yet. So this recording is just in 1080p, but it's still a lot better than what I was doing, and I'm ready for when all of my supporters can support me getting a 4K monitor. So thanks everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's going to be a lot more content coming out very soon. Thank you all so much. Thank God, and have a wonderful night. I'll see you soon.